In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Discord green screen camera problem. If your camera appears as a solid green screen during a Discord video call, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by a temporary software glitch, outdated graphics components, camera conflicts, or incorrect Discord settings. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several proven troubleshooting methods that can help restore your camera to normal. Follow each step in order, and after completing one, check whether your camera is working before moving on to the next solution. To get started, completely close Discord and then open it again. A simple restart can often clear temporary bugs that prevent the camera from displaying correctly. After Discord reopens, join a voice or video call and check whether the green screen has disappeared. If the problem is still there, open Discord and click the gear icon near your username to access user settings. Scroll down to voice and video and locate the camera section. Make sure the correct camera is selected, especially if your computer has multiple webcams or virtual cameras. Choosing the wrong device can sometimes cause display issues. Next, go to System Settings and scroll until you find the Hardware Acceleration option. If it's currently enabled, turn it off and restart Discord. If it's already disabled, try enabling it instead and restart the application again. Changing the setting can resolve compatibility problems between Discord and your graphics hardware. Another common cause is another application already using your webcam. Close any programs that might be accessing the camera, such as video conferencing apps, streaming software, or camera utilities. Once those programs are closed, return to Discord and test your camera again. You should also update your graphics driver and camera driver using your computer's preferred update method. Outdated drivers can sometimes create display issues, including a green camera preview. After updating, restart your computer before testing Discord again. If the issue continues, return to user settings and reset any custom voice and video settings you've changed recently. Misconfigured settings can occasionally interfere with camera performance. You can also test your webcam in another application. If the camera works elsewhere, the issue is likely related to Discord settings. If it doesn't work in any application, the problem may be with the camera itself or its drivers. Finally, make sure you're using the latest version of Discord. Running an updated version helps ensure you have the newest bug fixes and compatibility improvements available. That's it. By restarting Discord, verifying the correct camera, adjusting hardware acceleration, checking permissions, closing conflicting applications, updating your drivers, and testing your webcam, you can resolve most Discord green screen camera problems quickly and get back to your video calls. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,